Namaskar. So today our topic is nicknames. Usually it is called as the sobriquets, or we also call it as the geographical epithets, and also nicknames of important persons. So here we go. As a part of a feast for the starving mind, the nicknames. Okay? Right. First, the nicknames of states. Land of five rivers is Punjab. Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Satluj, and Ravi rivers. Punjab, that's why Punjab. Land on three seas is Tamil Nadu. You can find Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean. Spice Garden of India is Kerala. All seasons state is Himachal Pradesh. Paradise on earth, that is heaven on earth, is Kashmir. Sugar bowl of India is Uttar Pradesh. Land of sunrise, easternmost part of any state is Arunachal Pradesh, and that is why it is called as land of sunrise. And Arunachal means the land of or the region of sun. Now let us see the other important nicknames of states. Abode of clouds is Meghalaya. Literal meaning is also abode of clouds. And we have Cherrapunji and Mawsynram. The two wettest places are in Meghalaya. So aptly it is called as abode of clouds. Egg bowl of India is Andhra Pradesh. The tea garden of India is Assam. Coffee state is Karnataka. Garland of temples or soul of India is Odisha. Soya bean state is Madhya Pradesh. Rice bowl of India, Chhattisgarh. Paradise of botanists is Sikkim. Jewel state is Manipur. Land of black diamond is West Bengal. Land of Viharas is Bihar. Land of epics is Gujarat. Milk pail of India is Haryana. Devabhoomi is Uttarakhand. Mineral state is Jharkhand. So these are some of the important nicknames or sobriquets of some important states of India. Now Queen of Satpura is Pachmarhi, the hill station. Queen of Nilgiris is Uti. Queen of Deccan is Pune. Queen of Arabian Sea is Kochi. Queen of hill stations is Mussoorie. Queen of Chota Nagpur, Netarhat. And Queen of Kumaon is Nainital. The colorful cities. Jaipur is called the Pink City. Jaisalmer, the Yellow City. Jodhpur, the Blue City. Udaipur is called the White City. Jhalawar is called Purple City. Whereas Orange City, not only for color, but it is the fruit. Orange City is Nagpur. Green City is Gandhinagar. Now, the Golden City, Amritsar. Silver City is Cuttack. And Black City is Kolkata. Orange City, already we discussed that how Nagpur, and Green City is Gandhinagar. Now some other nicknames related with some important food products or agricultural products. It is Onion Town, Lasalgaon, Banana Town, Jalgaon. Both are in Maharashtra. Turmeric City, Erode. Orange City, Nagpur. Mango City, Malda. Goa's City, Allahabad. Bangle City is Firozabad. Leather City, Kanpur. Jasmine City is Madurai. Mushroom City, Solan in Himachal Pradesh. Lychees or Lychee City is Muzaffarpur. Strawberry City is Mahabaleshwar. And Apple City is Kotgarh, that is near Simla. Now, coming to devotional touch, the spiritual capital of India is Varanasi. The sports capital is Meerut. The biryani capital of India, Hyderabad. The banking capital is Chennai. The salt capital of India, Thoothukudi. The coal capital of India is Dhanbad. Ice cream capital is Mangaluru. And cardamom capital, Bodinayakkanur. Cashew nut capital, Kollam. Financial capital is Mumbai. Wine capital, as more grapes are produced in this region. Wine capital of India is Nasik. Tiger capital of India is Nagpur. Coaching capital, it is Kota in Rajasthan. Yoga capital is Rishikesh. Coffee capital, Chikmagalur. Whereas tea capital is Jorhat in Assam. Cultural capital of India, Kolkata. Cultural capital of South India is Chennai. Cultural capital of Himachal Pradesh is Mandi. Cultural capital of Chhattisgarh, Rajnandgaon. Cultural capital of Gujarat, Vadodara. Cultural capital of Assam is Tezpur. Cultural capital of Chhattisgarh is Raigad. Cultural capital of Maharashtra is Pune. Cultural capital of Odisha is Cuttack. Cultural capital of Andhra Pradesh is Rajamahendravaram. Cultural capital of Karnataka is Mysuru. Cultural capital of Kerala is Thrissur. Cultural capital of UP is Banaras. And cultural capital of Bihar is Darbhanga. Now let us see the gateways. Gateway of India is Mumbai. Gateway of East India is Siliguri. Gateway of Bundelkhand is Jhansi. Gateway of South India is Chennai. Gateway of Bastar is Kanker. Gateway of Karnataka, Mangaluru. Gateway to backwaters is Kollam. Now let's see the other important nicknames. Here let us see Kashmir. Kashmir of Andhra Pradesh is Lamba Singhi. Kashmir of Kerala is Munnar. Kashmir of Odisha is Daringbadi. Kashmir of Karnataka, Karwar. Kashmir of Tamil Nadu, Bodinayakkanur. And Kashmir of Maharashtra, Tapola. Kashmir of Chhattisgarh, Chaiturgarh. And Kashmir of Uttarakhand is Pithoragarh. Now other prominent nicknames of prominent personalities of India. Mahatma is the nickname of Gandhiji, Bapu, also for Gandhiji. Baba Saheb is nickname for Ambedkar. Jagjeevan Ram is called as Babuji. Chacha is for Nehru. Tau is for Devi Lal. Vallabhai Patel is called as Sardar, and the nickname for Subhash Chandra Bose is Netaji. Who is called Acharya? The Vinoba Bhave. Gurudev is Rabindranath Tagore. Guruji M.S. Golwalkar. Rashtraguru Surendranath Banerjee. Rajarsi is Purushottam Das Tandon. Lal Bal Pal, the extremists, trio, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal. Who is called Ajat Satru, that is Rajendra Prasad. Desratna is Rajendra Prasad. Desbandhu Chittaranjan Das. Desapriya Yatindra Mohan Sengupta. Deenabandhu C.F. Andrews. Viswaratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Saheed A. Azam Bhagat Singh. And Azad, nickname for Chandrasekhar. Now there are many Gandhis, they are Gandhians, and how they got the nickname of Gandhi. Gandhi of Nagaland is Natwar Thakkar. Gandhi of Andhra Pradesh V. Gopalakrishna. Gandhi of Uttarakhand Indramani Badoni. Gandhi of Bihar Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Gandhi of Kerala K. Kelappan. Gandhi of Karnataka Hardekar Manjappa. Gandhi of Rajasthan Gokul Bhai Bhatt, and Gandhi of Haryana Babu Mool Chand Jain. Now lion of, or usually we use the word Kesari, Ser or Kesari or simply lion of. Lion of Andhra or Andhra Kesari is T. Prakasam, Tangturi Prakasam Pantulu. Assam Kesari Ambikagiri Rai Chaudhary. Bihar Kesari Sri Krishna Sinha. Bengal Kesari Asutosh Mukherjee. Kerala Kesari Padhasi Raja. Karnataka Kesari Gangadhar Rao Deshpande. Punjab Kesari Lala Lajpat Rai. Sher-e Kashmir Sheikh Mohammad Abdullah, and Utkal Kesari is Hare Krishna Mahatab. Now, Indians compared with some foreign personalities. Now, Indian Einstein is Acharya Nagarjuna. Indian Martin Luther is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Who is called Indian Shakespeare? Kalidas. Indian Napoleon is Samudragupta. Indian Machiavelli is Chanakya. Indian Bismarck is Sardar Patel, and Indian Maxim Gorky is Premchand, the legendary writer. Now Prince of Martyrs, Bhagat Singh. Prince of Patriots, Subhash Chandra Bose. Prince of Beggars, Madan Mohan Malaviya, because he wanted to collect money to build and run the Banaras Hindu University. That's why he is called as he collected lot of money from the people to accomplish the dream of running the Banaras Hindu University. That's why he's called as Prince of Beggars. Madan Mohan Malaviya. Prince of Autobiography, Babur. Prince of Builders, Shah Jahan. Prince of Moneymakers, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And Prince of Kolkata, the cricketer Saurav Ganguly. Now, other nicknames: Jananayak, Karpuri Thakur; Loknayak, Jaiprakash Narayan; Lokpriya, Gopinath Bordoloi; Lokhitwadi, Gopal Hari Deshmukh; Lokmanya, Bal Gangadhar Tilak; Mahamanya, Madan Mohan Malaviya; Tiger of Mysore, Tippu Sultan. Now, this is another interesting nicknames: Missile Man of India, APJ Abdul Kalam; the Cyclone Man of India, Mrityunjay Mahapatra; Iron Man of India, Sardar Patel; Bird Man of India, Salim Ali; Tiger Man of India, Kailas Sankhala; Forest Man of India, Jadav Payeng; Tree Man of India, Visweswar Dutt; Metro Man of India, E. Sridharan; Water Man of India, Rajendra Singh; Mountain Man of India, Dasrath Manjhi; Plastic Man of India, R. Vasudevan; Rocket Man of India, K. Sivan; Nuclear Man of India, Homi Jahangir Bhabha; Ice Man of India, Chewang Norfel; Missile Woman of India, Tessie Thomas; Rocket Woman of India, Ritu Karidhal; Grand Old Man of India, Dada Bhai Nauroji; Grand Old Man of Films, Dada Saheb Phalke; Grand Old Man of Journalism, Tushar K. Ghosh. Now, Paioli Express, P.T. Usha; Mysore Express, Javagal Srinath; Baroda Express, Jahir Khan; Dhing Express, Hima Das. And who are called as Indian Express? It is Leander Pace and Mahesh Bhupati together are called as Indian Express. Adi Kavi, it is Valmiki; Biswa Kavi, Rabindranath Tagore; Rashtra Kavi, we have Maithili Saran Gupta also and Ramdhari Singh Dinkar; Kavi Samrat, Ayodhya Singh Upadhyay; and Poet of Poets, Samser Bahadur Singh. Now coming to Bollywood, Showman of Bollywood, Raj Kapoor; Jubilee Star, Rajendra Kumar; Big B, Amitabh Bachchan; He-Man, Dharmendra; Jumping Jack, Jitender; Kaka is Rajesh Khanna and the evergreen hero Devanand; the Tragedy King is Dilip Kumar and the Tragedy Queen is Meena Kumari; Nightingale of Bollywood, Lata Mangeshkar; Queen of Indie Pop, Asa Bhosle; Pancham is R.D. Burman and Mozart of Madras, A.R. Rahman; Father of Cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke; Father of Ayurveda, Dhanvantari; Father of the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar; Father of Blue Revolution, Hiralal Chaudhary; Father of Indian Nuclear Science, Homi Jahangir Bhabha; Father of Radio Science in India, Jagdish Chandra Bose; Father of Civil Aviation, J.R.D. Tata; Father of Green Revolution, M.S. Swaminathan. Father of modern economics, M.G. Ranade. Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. And father of white revolution is Varghese Kurian. Father of economic reforms, Manmohan Singh. Father of linguistic democracy, Potti Sri Ramulu. Father of modern India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Father of India's communication revolution, Sam Pitroda. Father of civil engineering, Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Father of surgery, Susruta. Father of white revolution, Varghese Kurian. And father of space program, Vikram Sarabhai. Now some sports important nicknames: Hockey Wizard, Major Dhyanchand; Flying Sikh, Milkha Singh; Udan Pari, P.T. Usha; The Wall, Rahul Dravid; Haryana Hurricane, Kapil Dev; Nawab of Najafgarh, Virendra Sehwag; Jumbo is Anil Kumble; Little Master, Sunil Gavaskar; Lightning Kid, Viswanathan Anand; Tufan, Dhanraj Pillai; Pocket Dynamo, Leander Pace; The Golden Boy, Pankaj Advani; Master Blaster, Sachin Tendulkar; Captain Cool, M.S. Dhoni; Kabaddi King, Rakesh Kumar; Dubki King, Pardeep Narwal; The Raid Machine, Rahul Chaudhary. So please do subscribe, share, and comment. And good luck for your upcoming examinations.